Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you how you can simply log a meeting in GoToMeeting. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in GoToMeeting, and logging meeting is good if you don't want anyone else to join and you want to have like privacy and things like that. So the first way is right next to recorder, you're gonna see log this meeting. It's like the first way how you can do it, or unlock the meeting and then go like to here to people, to participants. And you're going to see here meeting is unlocked, and again click here on to log the meeting. So these are the two ways how we can actually do it. It's like pretty simple and pretty easy. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and stuff like that. You know how it goes, you know how it works. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye.